So hi everyone. In this video, we'll be learning about deleting the group. Okay. So I am in the RPM based system right now, CentOS Linux. We have two commands. Okay. One is group del and del group. So group del is present in both RPM and Debian, but del group is only present in Debian. Okay. So if you see, it will give me error because del group is not present in its RPM based system. If I see group del, it will give me the path of the group del. Okay, just it's my RPM based system. If you see the Debian based, means it is Ubuntu Linux right now. If you see user del, it is present, and also if you see group del, it is present, and also del group. Okay, both are present. Fine. Let's go to that path. And if we see now, del, if you see now, del group is linking to del user, just like add group was linking to add user. We saw in the last few videos. Okay. So how is it working? Same as add group. So if we go to that del user, you can see if the action is delete group, means if the command is delete group, it will delete the group. Okay. So So let's say I'll create two directories, sorry, two users. Add user U1, it's already there. U2, U3 let, okay, U4. Okay. If I see U1, user is U1 and group is U1. U2 also same. Yes, user is U2, group is U2. U3 is same, U4 is same. So this user is having the group U1, and for this U2, for this U3, for this U4, means primary groups. Okay. And for U1, secondary group is also there, G2. And for U2 also G2, and for U3 also G2. Fine. So if we see, let's say, so U1 is a primary group of one user, means this group, U1 group, is the primary group of the user U1. Let me try to delete the group U1. Sorry. Using the group del command. Okay, not del group. It will give me error because it will display key U1 is the primary group of the user U1. If you want to delete it forcefully, there is one flag F. You can see here hyphen F. Okay, group del hyphen F U1. Now if you see cat sorry del etc group U1 is got deleted. Okay, so one more thing. If we check etc group, I have G2 here, okay, and G2 is the secondary group of U1, U2, U3, U3. Fine. Let me try to delete G2 using delete user, sorry, group del command. Group del G2. If you see now, G2 got deleted because G2 is not the primary group of any user. It was the secondary group of the users U1, U2, U3. If we see now, etc group, there is no G2. But what if you want to delete the group only if there is no user present inside this group? Means let's say I'll create one group again, G1, and I'll directly edit this file only. let's say here I'll add u1, u2, u3. If you see now, id u1, id u2, id u3, the g1 was added. So now I'll try the del group command. You can see one flag here, only if empty. Means only if there are no users present inside the group, either secondary or primary, it will not delete. Let's try this. So we saw, right? You can see, sorry, etc group. G1 is the secondary group of these three users, U1, U2, U3. Now I'll try to delete group only if empty G1. So it will not delete the group now because it is not empty. It is the secondary group of U1, U2, U3. Let's try to delete the group G1. Okay, without giving the flag. Delete group G1. So we didn't delete the group because primary group of E1. Okay, fine. So what we did now? We deleted the group E1, which was the primary group of E1. Okay, one thing. So before E1 user had the primary group E1. It's the group, it's the user. Okay. Then we deleted the group E1 forcefully. Okay. Then what we did, there were two more users, U1, U2, U3. We added G1 to these three users. So, as there was no primary group of U1, G1 became the primary group of U1. And for U2 and U3, G1 became the secondary group because they were having the primary groups. If we see now, ID U1, the primary group is G1. Okay, GID you can see. And if you see U2, the secondary group is G1, not the primary group. Okay. So let's say I'll change the primary group of U1 right now. Let's say I'll create one more group, G2, let's say, and I'll add the primary group. Uh, user mode hyphen G, then G2 to U1. If you see now, G2 is the primary group and G1 is the secondary group. Fine. Let me try to delete the group G1 right now using del user, del group G1. Now G1 got deleted because G1 was the secondary group only of the all the users. It was not the primary group of any user. If you see now, etc group, there is no G1 present right now. So this is all, guys. So using group del command, you can delete the group only if it is not primary group of any users, and if you then also you can delete the group forcefully giving hyphen f flag, means forceful. It will delete the group even if it is the primary group any user. Okay. Then one more is there, which is del group. You will be getting some more options here, like only if empty, means if the group is secondary group of any user, then it will not delete. And if you just write del group and group name, it will delete the group even if it is secondary group of any users. So that's all about deleting the group in RPM or CentOS like Debian based system. So thank you guys for watching.